kaNose, thank you so much for supporting and following Drinking Nose from Facebook and also my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. Thank you so much sa lahat po ng mga owners na review ko for initial review sa Facebook and also sa mga vlogs ko. So, thank you so much and hope na ma-appreciate nyo po yung honest review ko. Disclaimer lang po, all of my reviews and all of my opinions are based on my own preferences and own standards. If na-offend ko yung iba, especially sa mga fan ng ibang brand, so pasensya na po. It's just my honest review and my own opinion. But hopefully po, you still follow, like, share my initial reviews, my vlogs, and my daily information regarding drinks, coffee, milk tea, fraps, and fruit-based products here in Iloilo City. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the owners, for all the staffs, the baristas, and all the fans and all mga kaNose, lahat sa pag-follow, sa trusting, and for all the love po mga kaNose. So thank you so much mga kaNose. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Jesus saying bye!